Morning dear students, welcome to Adarsh Vidyalaya Max online class, standard 10 mathematics. So today's topic is an excluded value. The previous class we have learnt about rational expression, what is a rational expression, and related to that reduction form of rational expression, and we have done some problems in exercise 3.4. These things we have covered in previous class. So in this class we are going to start a new topic, excluded value. So first of all we are going to know what is an excluded value. So a value that makes a rational expression, in its lowest form undefined. Already we discussed, already I told you clearly, if the denominator is equal to 0 means the term is not defined. Okay, அப்போ denominator 0 வந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா இந்த term வந்து நம்ம என்ன சொல்றோம், not defined அப்படின்னு சொல்றோம். இந்த கேஸ்ல a value that makes a rational expression in its lowest form, for example 2/0, இப்படி ஒரு நம்பர் எடுத்துங்க, 2/0 அப்படின்னா denominator is equal to 0. So the value of this rational expression is called not defined. This is not defined. Not only 2/0, any value divided by 0 is not defined, you know that. அப்போ எக்ஸுக்கு நம்ம வேல்யூ எக்ஸ் இல்லை அந்த வேரியபிளுக்கு வேல்யூ ரீப்ளேஸ் பண்ணும்போது அந்த டேர்ம் வந்து நாட் டிஃபைண்டாக வந்துச்சுன்னா அந்த நம்பர் தான் நம்ம அந்த வேல்யூ தான் என்ன சொல்கிறோம் அப்படின்னா எக்ஸ்க்ளூடட் வேல்யூ அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம். ஸோ டெஃபினேஷன் பார்த்துங்க, a value that makes a rational expression in its lowest form undefined is called an excluded value. So this is the definition of an excluded value. So now to find an excluded value, let us start with the example 5/x minus 10. This is a rational expression, you know that. இப்போ இந்த rational expressionல எந்த வேல்யூ நம்ம அசைன் பண்ணும்போது இந்த rational expression is not defined அப்படின்னா இந்த எக்ஸுக்கு பதிலாக தான் நம்ம வேல்யூ ரீப்ளேஸ் பண்ணணும். ஸோ 5 and 10 are constant, we cannot replace, but x is the variable, it takes different value. அந்த டிஃப்ரெண்ட் வேல்யூவில் எக்ஸுக்கு எதை அசைன் பண்ணால் இந்த டேர்ம் நாட் டிஃபைன்ட் ஆகும். ஸோ தட் we are going to find. ஸோ அதுக்காக ஈஸியஸ்ட் மெத்தட் நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போகிறோம், ஃபாலோ பண்ண போகிறோம். தட் இஸ் q of x is equal to 0. q of xனா என்னது, டினாமினேட்டர் வந்து ஈக்குவல் டு 0 அப்படின்னு நம்ம எடுத்துட்டோம்னா அந்த எக்ஸோட வேல்யூ நமக்கு கிடைச்சிடும். ஸோ q of x is equal to 0 நான் சென்ட் பண்ணுறேன். ஸோ ஹியர் திஸ் இஸ் p of x, 5 is p of x and this x minus 10 is q of x. ஸோ q of x equal to 0 அப்படின்னா this x minus 10 equal to 0. ஸோ x is equal to minus 10 இங்கே வந்துச்சுன்னா ரைட் ஆன்சர் இருந்தால் ப்ளஸ் 10 ஆகிடும். ஸோ எக்ஸ் இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு ப்ளஸ் 10. The rational expression 5/x minus 10 is undefined when x is equal to 10. எக்ஸோட வேல்யூ 10 இருந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா இந்த rational expression வந்து undefined ஆகும். So the excluded value of this rational expression is 10. For example 5 இப்போ எக்ஸுக்கு பதிலாக 10 ரீப்ளேஸ் பண்ணுறேன். 10 minus 10 equal to the 5, 10 minus 10 equal to 0. So 5/0, this is undefined, you know very well. Any value divided by 0 means undefined. So that when x is equal to 10, the rational expression is undefined. Therefore, the excluded value of this rational expression is 10. I hope you all understood the concept. So next, we are going to solve the problems in exercise 3.4, second question. Example 3.14, third subdivision. First two you practice, okay? That was very easy problem. So third subdivision, we have some exceptional cases. So here also we have that x by x square plus 1. So the denominator q of x which is not equal to 0 always, because so this x square plus 1, so the value of x square which is always greater than or equal to 0. So this x square which is greater than or equal to 0 always, hence x square plus 1 always not equal to 0. So the denominator which is not equal to 0 always. So what shall we say? So like this problem we have means we can say the answer, there is no real excluded value. There is no real excluded value. It means real number systemல இதுக்கு excluded value இல்லை. So imaginary partல இருக்கும். So you will learn that in higher classes. So So now we didn't have knowledge about that imaginary number, it means complex numbers. So real number system la idhukku excluded value illa. So idu mari case vanduchina x square divided by x by x square plus 1 abdina there is no real excluded value. This is very important question, that's why I took this. So now we are going to see exercise problem. Exercise 3.4, second question, first subdivision. So first question, y by y square minus 25. So we are going to find the excluded value of this rational expression. So that's why I say we are going to follow that q of x is equal to 0 always. To find an excluded value அப்படினா the denominator is equal to 0 அப்படினா assign பண்ணிக்கிறோம். The denominator is called q of x. Here y square minus 25 equal to 0. q of x equal to y square minus 25 is equal to 0. So find the factors of this one. So a square minus b square form. A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. So y plus 5 and y minus 5 equal to 0. In the expression oda expansion on the y plus 5 into y minus 5 equal to 0. So how to find the y value? So first equate with the 0, first factor, and second factor equate with the 0. So what shall we do now? So y plus 5 equal to 0 first. So y is equal to the plus 5 becomes minus 5. This is one excluded value. It has one more excluded value, that is y minus 5 equal to 0. So y equal to plus 5. It means the minus 5 becomes plus 5. So y is equal to 5 and minus 5. These are the two excluded value of this rational expression. So excluded value only one அப்படி நம்ம சொல்லல. So it has more than one. Sometimes no excluded values also will be. Exercise 3.4, second question, second subdivision. Here also we are going to find the excluded value of this rational expression. This rational expression is t divided by t square minus 5t plus 6. So variable is t, you know that. Already I told you, to find the excluded value we must take q of x is equal to 0. So what is q of x? That is the denominator. Here the denominator is equal to t square minus 5t plus 6 is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic polynomial, you know that. So find their factors. So the factors are 6 and minus 5. So product of any two numbers is 6, sum of the same two numbers is minus 5. So we are going to find that two numbers. So what are they? Minus 3 and minus 2. When you multiply them you can get plus 6. When you add them you can get minus 5. So how can we write it as the factors form? So t minus 3 and t minus 2 equal to 0. The quadratic polynomial factors form equal to 0. So first compare this one, next this one. So first t minus 3 equal to 0, second t minus 2 equal to 0. T minus 3 equal to 0 na t oda value the minus 3 inga vandha enna aidum plus 3. Here t, so t minus 2 equal to 0, the minus 2 becomes plus 2. So t equal to plus 2. So this 3 and 2 are the excluded value. Excluded values of this rational expression t divided by t square minus 5t plus 6. This 3 and 2 are the excluded value of this rational expressions. Next, second question, third subdivision. Here also we are going to find the excluded value of this rational expression. We know that don't disturb the numerator. We are going to take the denominator alone. Denominator is equal to 0. First we assign q of x is equal to 0. Okay. So now this one x square plus x minus 2 equal to 0. So x square plus x minus 2 equal to 0. You know that this is also a quadratic polynomial. Find their factors first. So how can we find it? this constant is product of any two numbers, and this coefficient of x, that is 1, is sum of the same two numbers. So 1 and 2. We can assign minus for 1 and plus for 2. So minus 1 into 2 minus 2, and minus 1 plus 2 gives plus 1. So it can be written as x minus 1 and x plus 2 equal to 0. So these are the two factors of this quadratic polynomial. So let us find the value of x. So first x minus 1 equal to 0, second x plus 2 equal to 0. So if x minus 1 equal to 0, x is equal to plus 1. And second one, x plus 2 equal to 0, x is equal to minus 2. The plus 2 becomes minus 2. So 1 and minus 2 are the excluded value of values of this rational expression, x square plus 6x plus 8 divided by x square plus x minus 2. So second question, fourth subdivision, x cube minus 27 divided by x cube plus x square minus 6x. So இதோட simplest form வந்து என்னவா இருக்கணும் அப்படின்னா undefined இருக்கணும். So that we are going to take q of x. Denominator வந்து என்ன எடுத்துக்கிறோம், 0 ன்னு எடுத்துக்கிறோம். So first the denominator is x cube plus x square minus 6x equal to 0. So இதுல common factor x, அதை வெளில எடுத்துட்டோம்னா it becomes quadratic polynomial, x square plus x minus 6 equal to 0. So one of the value is x is equal to 0. First one we can say that. Remaining we are going to find the factors of this quadratic polynomial. So minus 6, this one plus 1, 3 and 2, 3 into 2 6, 3 minus 2 means 1, but here minus 6 plus 1 is there. So what shall we do? Assign minus for 2. So 3 into minus 2 minus 6, 3 minus 2 gives plus 1. So it can be written as x plus 3 and x minus 2. Okay, so here replace பண்றேன் x into, instead of this x plus 3 and x minus 2 equal to 0. So first compare x equal to 0. This is the first excluded value. இப்போ 0 ங்கிறது ஒரு excluded value. Second, this x plus 3 வந்து நான் equate பண்ண போறேன். x plus 3 equal to 0. அப்போ x is equal to minus 3. This is the second excluded value. Third one, this x minus 2. x minus 2 equate to 0 அப்படின்னா x is equal to என்ன வரும், plus 2. So it has three excluded values. What are they? 0, 2 and minus 3 are the excluded value of this rational expressions. I hope you all understood the concept. So today we have done exercise 3.4, question number 2, 4 problems we have done, as well as example 3.14, third subdivision also we did it. So practice the example problems. So see you later.